Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to install and how to set up a free VPN on your Nokia G11. So, firstly you need to open Google Chrome and then go to 2ap.io webpage. Thanks this website you can see how websites see our location. In my case it's Poland, Krakow, and it's true. But now open Play Store and find here TurboVPN or VPN Hub. So I will use TurboVPN. Click Install. Click Open. Agree and continue. Click on the cross on the left top corner and cool. Now just by clicking on the card on the center of the screen you will be connected to VPN servers. So we are successfully connected, and now just check it on 2ap.io web service. So reload ap.io, and as you can see we are in United States and Las Vegas. So that works. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.